This Diwali, my promise to myself is I don't want to buy cheap imported stuff. I want to be a revivalist of Indian craft. I want to buy made in India goods. And to do that, I've come to the annual Daskar Mela in the national capital. Here's where you see stalls being set up by craftsmen from across the country. And trust me, our craftsmen are innovating, and a lot of the stuff I'm going to show you here, hot deals and with a modern twist. Come. Well, Diwali is all about lights, and look what I found. Colorful, bright, these lampshades are all made from leather, painted on them. Traditional kalamkari art from Andhra Pradesh. I say toss your oriental lamps, Nordic lamps for these. Terracotta pottery goes back all the way to the Indus Valley civilization. I say go back to cooking with these. You can use it for making your rice, dal, non-vegetarian, khichdi, whatever it is that you want. And it's really light, plus healthier than all those double-coated pans we've gotten used to. If you've seen Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge, you will remember a copper bell like this, which Kajol loved. You do not need to go to Switzerland to find something like this. A young artisan from Gujarat is reviving copper bells, which was traditionally used by farmers. You can use these to hang it at your entrance, decorate your balconies, or wherever you like in your house. Are you looking for decor, wall hangings? Guess what I found? This artisan from Orissa etches all of this on palm leaves. That's right, you heard me right. This is an art that he is reviving. Check this out. Looking for a gift for your kids? Snakes and ladders using traditional artwork. Look what I found. Absolutely gorgeous pottery made from silica stone going back all the way to the time of the Mughals. My favorite is this incense holder, not only because the turtle was my first pet, but how cute is this? Do you know what Sanji art is? Well, it's from the land of Lord Krishna, Mathura. It's a dying art. Call it paper cutting art. Just look at these pieces that we found. There is no pencil involved. There's no stencil. You cut the paper to make this art.
जैसे कि एक मूर्तिकार मूर्ति को पत्थर की मूर्ति को शेप दे करके एक भगवान के रूप में परिवर्तित कर देते हैं, ऐसे हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि पेपर पे हम वो काम करें जो लोग उसको देख करके उनको, ये हमने उड़ती हुई चिड़िया बनाई है.
I'm now going to be talking to a young founder, you can call it a crafts entrepreneur, who's trying to revive, what is it? You're working with women artisans and doing this quirky stuff from cushion covers to sari blouses.
So I'm working with young women, training them in hand skills like crochet, hand embroidery, dori work, which is my traditional technique. So it's using a single cotton string that otherwise is used like a nada. So we're trying to revive that and create different embroidery patterns using the single dori. Plus I'm working with some Kutch-based artisans, trying to revive Kutch work, something like this if you can see. It's a cushion cover on bandage, which has these mirror work and Kutch embroidery. So that's the idea. So adding color to your life and with a bit of craft. So I think that's the most important. It's the need of the hour.
But as we all dress up on Diwali, women like to wear jewelry, don't we? And what I found here, all handmade jewelry, absolutely gorgeous.
So my brand name is called Mandala by Anusha, and I create handmade jewelry out of ceramic, brass and fabric. Now the catch here is every piece that you see is different. Like there is only one of each kind, and they are waterproofed and are cadmium free. I have just given it a twist with our contemporary age, so people today can also wear these pieces very beautifully.
I love binging on Diwali. And here you have a food court where you have stalls of regional food, regional street food also from across the country. Let's check it out.
हम राजस्थानी फूड बना रहे हैं मैडम जी। राजस्थानी फूड में प्याज कचौरी, दाल कचौरी, मावा कचौरी, मिर्च बड़ा, चूरमा, दाल बाटी, कैर सांगरी, बेसन खट्टा। और दिल्ली में प्याज कचौरी बहुत ज्यादा। हाँ, मतलब एक बार खाने के बाद हम ग्राहक ने यह कह दिया कि कचौरी पैक भी हुई है।
Well, this is the stall from Bihar. Let's find out what's selling, like should I say hot cakes or litti chokha? क्या-क्या बिका सबसे ज्यादा?
सबसे ज्यादा इसी का सेल है मैम, लिट्टी चोखा का।
और क्या-क्या है?
सत्तू का पराठा है, मटर की कचौड़ी है, हमारे पास ठेकुआ है मैम, बिहार का जो फेमस।
ये क्या है?
ठेकुआ
ये क्या होता है?
ये ट्रेडिशनल फूड होता है बिहार का।
ये
छठ पूजा में फूड
फूड अच्छा छठ पूजा में। What's Diwali without sweets? We've come to a Gopala store in New Delhi. There are 36 of these in the National Capital Region, one of the biggest that you have. They're entering new categories, whether it's mustard oil and a lot of other things that we're going to be talking about with the Managing Director, Karthik Arora. Thank you so much for letting us come to your store in your busy festive period. How's business?
Business is good. I think what we experienced last couple of years, it's doing pretty well this year, and people have a lot of excitement because of the
The
festival.
indulgent shopping is happening.
It is. It's very
Consumers
much-
back.
Absolutely, they are back. They're
Is
back
it bigger than
completely.
last year?
It's bigger than last year, and I think we are doing even better than 2019.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so it's getting back on
That's
track.
the theme we've been hearing, that everything is bouncing back. But today we're going to have fun. Let's not talk about, hardcore stuff. It's Diwali time. So, Karthik, what all are we going to make?
We
Or
make-
rather, I'm going to make.
Tell me, you can make some kaju katli, some motichur laddus.
I can
some-
make
some
it, or I'm
barfi,
going to pretend to make
yeah,
it?
you can assemble them if you want here right now.
Jalebis, I love jalebis.
Yes, you can make jalebis as well.
I'm going to try and fry jalebis and do all the other things that he said, and I think I'll be pretty good at it.
Yeah, I know, I'm sure.
So this is obviously barfi.
This is kaju barfi.
Yeah.
We're going to be teaching her how to finish it up and cut it and pack it. Seems to be very exciting.
So first I'll take a class.
Yeah.
और आप मुझे बताना मैं ठीक कर रही हूँ गलत कर रही हूँ.
You have to hold it very,
Press
it's a
करना
very
है.
slight this thing. No, just keep it in your hand like this.
Oh,
like this.
Got it now.
And like this. It's done. You pick it up. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
But there's AC.
Wonderful.
Not bad.
Not bad. You managed.
Oh, but you're being closer, no?
That's okay.
Because there's a big gap now. Oh, guys, assembling laddus is not so easy. I mean, barfis is not easy.
Perfect.
This
was
is
the
a good
best.
one.
Yeah, this is the best.
There you go, guys.
Yeah.
That's how
Getting a
it's
hand on it.
done. So, obviously, I want to see now you watch a professional at work and how it's really supposed to be done. So, this will give me how many barfis?
I think what 40 pieces? 40 pieces? Yeah, approximately 40 pieces. 40 to 50 on one sheet.
Oh, it sticks.
Yeah,
So, you can't get rid of it. It
it will.
sticks.
It's pure silver, so you can even eat it.
No! So, how have you dealt with the महंगाई?
See, there has been a spike in the pricing of majority of the raw materials, majority of the ingredients.
Correct. And have you passed it on?
We absorbed some cost and we passed on some cost to the consumers.
How many more mithais would you have sold already than last year?
As per the current estimates, we're going to be doing about 20% more what we did last year, about 20 to 30%.
But people don't want like healthy mithai and all anymore. Like last year that was a fad, na? Like everything had to be healthy.
See, if you talk about the traditional Indian sweets, say besan ka laddu, I think it's even healthier than a chocolate because you're just having besan, sugar, and dry fruits and ghee. So these are the kind of stuff which is kind of not popular anymore with the youngsters. But
I
it's a-
love besan
but I
laddu,
feel
I'm a
it's-
youngster.
But I feel it's a very healthy product to have. Okay, chalo. Now we see how Nayanthara cuts the Kaju Katli.
I mean, that can't be so difficult. So, I just want to caveat, I don't cook, and I was my art teacher's biggest nightmare.
Easy, no?
Not really.
And then when you cross lines, that's how the diamond will be formed.
Oh, what a patle diamond. Ab to मैं professional. अब देखते
अब आप
हैं
दिखाओ।
कैसे प्रोफेशनली किया जाता है, जल्दी किया जाता है। तो ये थोड़ा साइड में वेस्टेज नहीं होता है?
The edges go.
The edges go ना? So what do you do with that?
Now that the entire thing has been cut, you're going to lifting all the pieces and putting in the,
So it-
setting them in the tray. We have our new jalebi artist here, Nayanthara, who's going to be trying her hands on making jalebis today for us.
I'm wearing an apron because I don't want to ruin my clothes. And I love cooking. I love eating.
But guys, once you make it, you'll probably start.
क्या यार, I'm going to get fat. I've learned how to do barfis and I'm going to
Jalebis,
jalebis. Thank God, you're not going to let me come every day.
It's a difficult show, by the way.
Of course
this
it
is,
is. This is a
This
real
is a
art.
much difficult art.
Okay, so now I'm going to try and make jalebis. This is the first time anyone's ever letting me make jalebis.
These are probably the Gujarati style jalebis, you know.
I would like my video journalist to zoom in and show off. This is the first time I've ever made jalebis and they don't look so bad.
Now you can take them and put in the syrup.
Khatam.
Yeah, it's done.
So first
Gas
in,
taste
first
to
out. But they're too thin, yeah.
You want it then?
No. I thought mine would be thick because I would put so much, but squeezing it out is not easy. We can call these the NT jalebis. I'm called NT by my friends. I'm actually really excited. My favorite dessert.
Wow.
Ooh. They look appetizing. Would you eat them?
absolutely. I will.
And now, Karthik is going to eat the jalebi I cooked.
Made
and
by
rated on a scale of 1 to 10.
8.
Don't be a gentleman, be honest.
8, yeah.
Really?
They taste very well. They're out of shape. Rest everything's fine.
Well, I
Try. Now you tell me.
10 on 10, dude.
Ah,
10 on 10. This has been so much fun. Can I come next Diwali too?
you can come every day if you want to.
No, I can't
We're
afford to
both
eat all this every day, but next year also we're going to cook and do this.
Absolutely. And we're going to try some new recipes next time.
Happy Diwali.
Thank you.
Thank
Happy
you
Diwali
so
to you
much.
as well,
Thanks so much,
everyone.
Karthik.
Bye. Thank you.
Well, it's Diwali and we all love dressing up, don't we? What are the hot trends this Diwali? Remember, you had a slowdown in 2018, a slowdown in 2019. Corona washed out last Diwali. So this year, are people spending more? What are they spending on? I thought let's go figure that out. And we're going to go to celebrity designers Shantanu Nikhil to figure that out. And I have a model with me. This model is going to be given a makeover by Shantanu Nikhil. Who's my model? Safir Anand. You know him well. You see him often on ET now. Lawyer and retail investor. Safir, thank you so much for being a good sport and doing this and getting a makeover on television.
Thank you for having me over. I'm so excited about this.
And if you like it, are you going to buy it?
I'm definitely going to buy it. That's the mood.
And have you made more money? Are you willing to spend more this Diwali?
I believe that you must spend money in order to earn money. So it's a good day to do indulgence, and hopefully we'll make more money in the coming weeks.
So let's find out what's hot.
Wonderful.
So Safir, do you have any particular look in mind?
I just want the designer to be more vivid and to be more imaginative, and I want to see myself
Quirky?
through his eyes. Always quirky.
Yeah, otherwise that's not go boring.
Yeah. I think Shantanu really fits the bill well because he's got this, huge imagination and vision, and I would love myself to be given a makeover by him.
First and foremost, happy to see you here,
Happy to
Safir.
see you and happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, and this is the first time I'm seeing you in a print which is overwhelming for me. I've always seen you stayed in your jacket.
बहुत पैसे बनाए होंगे ना? Look at the markets.
But and
बहुत deals की होंगी as a lawyer.
and he's lost oodles of weight, huh? So today would be a good makeover session, and I would like to see you in something traditional.
Yeah, the fun part about it is that they said the devil wears Prada, so the devil is wearing Prada. let's see what the devil does now.
No, but I would like to see the devil being dressed up in a quirky, spunky Indian way now that we are surrounded by the festivities. And we are all joyous after what we've gone through. I feel this will be a good session.
I love what you're wearing, and I think I'm going to hit the store and shop for some of this wonderful stuff. And love the combination of this entire military look with this beautiful olive green and badging and detailing. It's beautiful.
I'm glad you put that into perspective. Military is something that we've always been fond of. Probably would have been
signature.
Yeah, and I think I love the armed forces. And today, when we are going to kind of style you, there will be a bit of military influence even in our bandis. So should we head straight on to what I see him wearing?
Sure.
Yeah?
Okay.
Let's do it.
You're not going to tell him whether you have a budget, looks.
No, I'm not going to tell him a budget.
Save hands.
I'm going to be spoiled by him today. I'm going to allow the indulgence, and I know he makes beautiful clothes, so beautiful clothes will always have a price, but I know it's going to make me look
Shantanu,
much
is he a rare customer who's coming and saying, "मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, budget, color, सब आप decide करो"?
The world has changed, Today's millennials, and I'm happy to say that he's a millennial, right? And today's millennials have a flair for what they want, and no stopping them.
And your business has been really good. Look at the big deal with Aditya Birla Group and all. You started this trend actually. You're a trendsetter.
Yeah, it does. It's something that we were always wanting to. We're just waiting for the right moment. The brand has to arrive. It has to have certain aesthetics, certain structure, and I feel the dream was always to have every Indian wear a Shantanu Nikhil, and that's what this merger basically helps us to do now.
So now I'm so excited about the market because I hear the businesses talk
because you
so
like
positively.
this.
Yeah.
But tell me, he was a trendsetter. So we saw him starting it off with Aditya Birla Fashion Group. We've had Ritu Kumar done with Reliance. You've seen Sabyasachi do a deal. Manish Malhotra do a deal between Birlas and Reliance. What is going on? Why are you all merging, selling out? Tell us a little bit.
I think the world of fashion has gone through this beautiful phase of corporatization. You don't see they become brands what they are because there was someone backing them up. And I think when you have a strong vision and a vision that has a perspective to it, so be it. I think we waited far too long as an Indian fashion community where we've always survived in an unorganized environment. I think there is a semblance of organization coming in it, and I think it's great for Indian fashion. There are so many younger fashion designers now kind of looking at what is happening around with ABFRL or Reliance. It's giving them a ray of hope that they can even sort of back their creativity with a certain structure that they can bring to the table. So I feel it's great, and I think for Safir, who is a keen eye on the market, for him I think fashion would be a market to watch out for.
But people are buying more. This Diwali has been the Dhamaka Diwali.
This Diwali has been very good. The
Look at the smile. Is that $1 million smile?
After what we've gone through.
$8 million smile market.
I think I should ask him what he's doing with his money because I'm sure he's investing too.
Yeah, the investment is a part and parcel of what you can do with your money, and if you can play your money, you can kind of bet your money with a bit of smartness, and I think markets are giving you that kind of return. Okay, so we head straight into Safir's wardrobe.
Wow, this is like a changing room I've not seen before. It's sofas and
So, you know, the idea is
somebody can just pass out here, yeah?
yeah, so that's the idea. You know, when you get a customer in, you kind of make him so inclusive that he spends a good amount of time understanding his solutions of what he needs, and then that's how the store is built. It is about, it's almost like your own home, and when guests come into your home, they need to feel like they are your guests. So this is.
So let me not be between both of you. You both decide.
One thing that kind of stands out for me is this
That's
bandi,
really nice,
which is signature Shantanu Nikhil. It has all the pleating details. It has the one Anna coin button, a bit of a military detail. But
Nayantara,
if you-
that's such a good sign. See, I'm getting money.
Money we will
Yeah,
wear.
money on my clothes.
money,
You know,
some,
Dhanteras you should wear also,
Yeah.
na? It's
so 2-3 elements, some sporty
And a badge.
details, yeah, some sporty
Badge honor.
details, some military influence, and some nostalgia.
And the national feeling.
yeah,
Yeah.
and
So it's all beautiful.
and I love the inside.
yeah.
Ta-da! How's this looking?
Wow, man, come here. I love the sneakers. I love the silhouette of your glasses. Everything in sync.
And I'll reciprocate. I love whatever you have done on me, minus what I was wearing on the.
I love the fact sneakers are also with it.
Heritage meeting spunk is what was the objective when you walked in. I want to bring in a bit of heritage through a brooch that I feel can add a bit of drama.
Dear investors, that's the dividend.
Now let's
Dividend is a game changer.
Oh, how lovely is this?
now see. So now you know he's ready for Diwali, or you could attend someone's function. You could get married again.
Oh, my wonderful thought.
Yeah.
Uh,
You can wear this to a wedding. You
Let me
can
look
totally
at
wear
it
this to
now.
a
Yeah, because I
wedding.
didn't get to see.
Wow,
Yeah, now I
this
can
is
see.
cool.
This is nice. This is cool.
Safir, how about doing a bit of a catwalk?
I'm not going to do the catwalk. I'll do the bullwalk.
I would also want to see if how the sleeves when rolled up.
This is really nice. In fact, it's even going. The watch is also going with your beautiful
Yeah,
clothes.
so-
But this look is so beautiful.
Do you want to try the bull run, Shantanu?
Of course.
I'll be the worst
It's
in
the,
that.
it's
huh?
the, it's
I'll
the
do it
good
with it.
home- it's the
Come on,
good
we
sign.
both do
It's
it
the
with
good
him.
sign.
We'll both do it with him. Who did it best?
You're all green. And so is he.
We were looking like
We're both green.
I hope we
And
were
I've got the
looking
blues.
like bears, huh?
So thank you so much, Shantanu. In our digital world, it's so convenient to shop, and all I have to do is to go and press a button. And it's wonderful. I really enjoyed this, and happy Diwali to everybody.
We'll do it again next Diwali.
Of course.
Super. Happy Diwali to everyone, for all the viewers. Wishing you a very happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, everybody, and thank you, ET Now and Nayantara, for this wonderful, wonderful makeover.
It's a wrap.